Hello everyone. The CRM All activity in a calendar module expands the CRM calendar functionality by enabling all activity types like calls, tasks, meeting, and other activities which are created to be visible in the calendar view rather than just a meetings. CRM All activity in a calendar module ensure an comprehensive overview of all the scheduled activities, improving an efficiency and providing better visibility into your team schedules and customer interactions. Now, after installing this module, let's get into the CRM. Over here, you can see a list of pipelines which are already created. Now let's get into one of the thing which we have in our hand. So over here you can see the activity is already there. Now let's create another one. Just I need to send a mail tomorrow, so I need to schedule an activity for me. So just I'm clicking on the emails where you can see an open calendar option to schedule it. Now in this you can see the summary. So, with if anyone just clicking on the open calendar without mentioning anything in the summary, yeah, so it displays a warning like this, like it will show the summary name cannot be an empty. So here we need to add a summary email for tomorrow. Okay, so I just add a date. Now you can see the due date. So I just mentioning the due date and assign to, and if needed, you can just add a log note too. Now let's click on the open calendar. Now you can see the same over here in this. You can see the thing which we have created. It will be automatically linked with a calendar, and you can see all the details over here. And then in the same thing, you can see the next meeting will be there, and also it will be added here in this tab. So this is how this module works. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. Thanks for watching.